Hello students, I'm Dr. Girish Rai Singhani, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Today we will discuss about the coconut. It is the economic plant, and this topic it is taken from the book Ecology and Economic Botany by Trivedi, Khan and Rijwani. This is of Ramesh Book Depot. Coconut is its botanical name is Cocos nucifera. Family is Palmae or Ericaceae. It is an important plant that is used as a source of timber wood, coir fibers, vegetable oil and fruit. कोकोनट के या नारियल के कई सारे यूजेस हैं. टिम्बर वुड की तरह भी काम आता है. इसके जो कॉयर होता है वो फाइबर्स इसके काम में आते हैं. वेजिटेबल ऑयल की तरह खाने में भी काम में आता है और इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज ए फ्रूट. First we take about the history and origin. The origin of coconut is doubtful. According to one opinion, it is originated in Central and South America and was transported by sea currents to Asia and Polynesia. According to another opinion, coconut originated in Southeast Asia and carried via ocean currents to other coastal areas of the world. Presently, it is cultivated extensively in the coastal areas of tropical and subtropical countries. नारियल हम सब जानते हैं कि कई सारे कोस्टल एरियाज़ में ट्रॉपिकल और सब ट्रॉपिकल कंट्रीज़ में इसको कल्टीवेट किया जाता है. कोकोनट ग्रोइंग रीजन्स की हम बात करें तो फिलीपींस इज़ द लार्जेस्ट कोकोनट प्रोड्यूसिंग कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. India ranks third among all the countries that include Indonesia, Mexico, Malaya and Sri Lanka. In India, coconut is grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Daman and Diu, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Pondicherry, Maharashtra and Odisha. Kerala alone produces 2/3 of all coconut grown in India. जो मैक्सिमम जो ग्रोथ होती है जो कल्टीवेशन होता है दैट इज़ इन केरला. नाउ वी कम आउट टू द बोटानिकल कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ दिस प्लांट. आप फिगर देख सकते हैं इसका. द कोकोनट प्लांट इज़ अ टॉल अनब्रांच ट्री ग्रोइंग अप टू 15 to 30 meters in height. The stem is erect and slightly curved. The diameter of the stem is 40 to 70 centimeters and it is covered with leaf scars. Adventitious roots arise from the base of the stem. A crown of 20 to 30 large pinnately compound leaves are present at the apex. Each leaf is 6 to 18 feet long and each leaflet is 2 to 3 feet in length with an acuminate apex. Flowering begins when the plant is 5 to 6 years old and goes until 50 years. The flowers are arranged in a spadix inflorescence. The spadix arises in the axil of the leaf. It comprises of a central axis on which lateral branches up to 40 in number develop. These branches are initially enclosed in a spathe. A large number of male flowers develop in the upper part of the inflorescence and approximately 10 to 15 female flowers develop at the base. Flowering goes on around the year. The fruits take 9 to 12 months to mature and only 3 to 7 fruits per inflorescence are able to develop fully. You can see this, that these are the cluster of fruits. Then figure C is the fruit. It is 20 to 30 centimeters long, oval, drupe weighing to 1 to 2 kg. Exocarp is hard, smooth and green that splits open upon maturity. The mesocarp is thick and fibrous. It is the main source of coir. The endocarp is hard, dark brown having 3 ridges on the outer surface. The basal region of the endocarp possesses 3 depressions or the eyes. One of the eyes is soft and large and houses the embryo just beneath it. A thick layer of white colored endosperm is present just under the endocarp and is attached firmly to it. The central cavity of the drupe is filled with coconut milk, which represents the liquid endospermic tissue. It is an endosperm. Now, the climate and the soil which is required for its cultivation. Ample amount of sunlight and temperatures ranging between 27 to 30 degrees centigrade are required for optimum growth of coconut tree. Areas that receive 180 centimeters rainfall annually are best suited. The coconut plant can be grown in various types of soils. Well-drained, aerated soils are more suitable. For example, coastal soils and alluvial soil. Apart from these, the plant can also be grown in clay soil and sandy soils. Its cultivation. Mature fruits from high-yielding varieties are selected for sowing. The fruits should be healthy, medium-sized, and should possess the desired characters. They are sown in seed beds and transplanted into pits after a period of 6 to 8 months. Distance between pits is maintained 20 to 30 feet. The pits are prepared 3 months prior to transplanting and treated with insecticides and manure. The plant requires manuring at regular intervals, and cow dung, manure, spoot, green manure, and potash are added to the soil every year in the rainy season. The plant starts fruiting after the age of 5 to 6 years, and the fruits can be harvested 6 to 8 times during the year. Fully ripe fruits are plucked for oil extraction. Now the oil extraction. How is oil extracted? The pericarp and mesocarp are first removed from the fruit. It is then broken in the center of the extract out of the dry endosperm known as copra. It consists of 3 to 5% moisture and 60 to 65% oil. The oil is extracted using hydraulic press, expeller or rotary mill. Hot extraction method is primarily used. The leftover oil from the waste is extracted by solvent extraction method. The oil is colorless or pale yellow in color. It is solid mass below 24 degrees centigrade. The constitution of coconut oil is as follows: lauric acid 44 to 51%, myristic acid 13 to 18, palmitic acid 7.5 to 10.5, caprylic acid 5.4 to 9.7, stearic acid 1 to 3%, oleic acid 5 to 8%, and linoleic acid 1 to 2.5%. Now we take the uses of coconut. Coconut is known as the tree of heaven because it is able to fulfill the 3 basic requirements of foods, fodder and fuel. बहुत important plant है ये, और कोकोनट जो है इसलिए इसको ट्री ऑफ हेवन कहा जाता है क्योंकि इसके 3 बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स ये फुलफ़िल करता है: रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ फूड, फॉडर एंड फ्यूल. सबसे पहला, कोकोनट इज़ यूज्ड एज एडिबल ऑयल. हम सब जानते हैं इसको खाने में काम में लिया जाता है. इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज हेयर ऑयल. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. वी ऑल यूज़ हेयर ऑयल. इट इज़ यूज्ड टू मेक गुड क्वालिटी सोप्स, shampoos, shaving creams and cosmetics. It is used to make candles and also used as lubricant. Its cake is known as punak, is an important animal feed. The endosperm is eaten raw and is also dried to make coconut powder, which is an important ingredient of many sweets. कई मिठाइयों में भी काम में आता है. Plant hormones are found in coconut milk and hence it is used as a culture medium in laboratory. Coconut water is a refreshing drink. The inflorescence is cut in the center to obtain a juice known as toddy. Its mesocarp is a source of coir which is used as filling in mattresses and pillows. The tree trunk is used as girder in making huts and leaves are used as thatching roofs. The ripe fruits of coconut are offered to God in Hindu religion tradition. जो राइप फ्रूट्स होते हैं, ठीक है, हम सब जानते हैं नारियल जो होता है हम क्या करते हैं हिंदू रिलीजन के ट्रेडिशन में यूज टू ऑफर टू गॉड. So this was all about the coconut. In the next lecture we will take another economic plant.